This is everything I eat in a day, trying to eat a little bit healthier. So first things first, for breakfast I had sourdough toast with cottage cheese, eggs, spinach, bell peppers of course, and then on the side I had some cut up strawberries which were so juicy and good. And then for a snack when I got home from work, I had these peanut butter filled pretzels which I swear aren't good, but they're low-key addicting, if that makes sense. Here's me spacing out while eating them. And then for dinner, it was like homemade sandwiches. So we had some bread, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, pickles, lettuce, turkey. I had some potato soup on the side, and then I also washed that down with Poppy. I didn't show me eating the soup because I burnt my mouth so bad, but anyways, that's all I ate for the day.